We're doing another DIY redneck trick. Something you do when you don't want to spend a bunch of money on equipment. We're going to clean some fuel injectors today with galvanized plumbing parts. We've got this set up here with an air nozzle on it. Nice cylinder. Goes down to that, into a piece of high pressure hose. Then we go over here and I've got a leftover fuel rail from a 5.3 from doing engine swaps. Take that top off and fill it with your juice of choice, which I go with a little bit of brake clean, a little bit of Marvel Mystery Oil. And why do I use Marvel? I don't know, it's a mystery. I'm going to start with our tried and true Marvel. Try that distance pour. Perfect. Only spilt half of it. And I buy brake clean in 5-gallon buckets because I have a hoarding problem. Dial my pressure regulator to about 60 psi. Get your handy dandy power probe, an old connector, strip it back, ground to one side, doesn't matter which side. Plug her into the injector. Now these are garbage old injectors, so I'm just using this for demonstration purposes, and they might come back to life. No, that one ain't gonna squirt. All I did was put my mixture in there, let them stew for a little while, and you could see nothing was happening, so I let it just sit maybe hour and a half. So we're going to give this a shot. There's one that's good. 2, 3. That one's not coming around yet. 4, 5, 6. That's 7 out of 8. Go over here and we'll click this one a few times and see if anything's going to happen. Nothing yet. Oh, there it went. You know, the best part of this is you have this nice, wonderful aroma that is very minty, yet oily. One of my favorite scents, Marvel Mystery Oil. They should make a candle like that.